Yet she never surrendered her dreams of an educated, equal, and awakened society. This act is a tribute to Savitribai Phule, India's first woman teacher, a social reformer, a poet, and a true symbol of courage and empowerment.
Dear parents of Mauli children, you are supposed to collect your children from right hand side.
This school must be shut down. She's teaching girls wrong things.
Huh, wrong things? Evil things, mother, evil things.
She is not only teaching them how to read and write, but telling them that when they grow up, they can go out for work, earn money.
That will be the day when women will be out making money and we men were in the kitchen making roti and sabji.
This is serious. Savitribai must be stopped. Our tradition has never permitted women to be educated. And why? Why it is been so? Did your mother or my mother ever get educated?
No,
Did your grandmother get educated?
No, because there was no need with them to be educated. Education is only for us Brahmin men. A woman's place is in the kitchen. Reading and writing will not help her to cook the meal. She needs to prepare for us.
but Amar, how are we going to stop her? That shameless husband of a Jyoti Rao, instead of controlling his wife, he supports her like a pet dog. Too.
His father has turned his house, but even that have not stopped them.
The time is now come for us to stop her.
But how?
By force, she will be here soon. Pick up stones, mud, cow dung, whatever you get from roadside and gutter. When she will come, we will ask her to go. If she don't, we will strike. We will strike. We will strike.
There she comes.
You are blocking the road. Please move.
Go back home.
What? Who you are to tell me that? Move. I need to open my school.
We are telling you politely. Go back. Listen to us.
You have to shut your school down.
Go away from here and do not come back.
Otherwise what?
We will stop you by force.
Strike!
Mara ila, mara, mara ila, mara.
Finished? Tired? Done so soon? Brave sons of Maratha, don't tell me you have lost your courage to meet a single defenseless woman. Come on, pick up more stones. There are enough laying around. Hit me more till I am dead. But it is only then when you are able to stop me. Don't forget, I am a Maratha too. A brave Maratha. The blood of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj runs through my veins.
Listen.
No, you listen. My school will run. Not only this school. I will open more schools. Girls will get educated. And these women will take their rightful place in society. Know this today. They will told for degenerate men like you and your immoral rules. We will try, and when we do, we will build a just world for everyone, all men and women. And on that day, the brave men like you will have to bow your head and when we walk by. Now move. Come, my girls, come, and bring your brothers too. Education must be for girls and boys both. कुछ करने की मन में आई है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। क्योंकि मैं एक लड़की हूँ, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। मुझे दर दर नहीं भटकना है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। मुझे अपने पाँव चलना है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। मुझे अपने डर से लड़ना है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। मुझे अपने आप ही गढ़ना है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। क्योंकि मैं एक लड़की हूँ, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। कई जोर जुल्मों से बचना है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। कई कानूनों को परखना है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। मुझे नए धर्मों को रचना है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। मुझे सब कुछ ही तो बदलना है, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है। क्योंकि मैं एक लड़की हूँ, इसलिए मुझे पढ़ना है।
Emotional performance that was. This performance has reminded us that education is the most powerful tool